Are you a real
idol?
Well, technically, nah.
Have you ever caught a good guy like a real superhero?
Nah.
Have you ever tried a disguise?
Nah.
All right. I can see that I will have to teach you how to be
An idol.
Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain member, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. No, don't touch that. Now look at the
morning.
that I just found. When I said
Listening.
be ready to throw.
Listening.
Throw it at him, not me. Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and slide from the...
The morning you're listening.
What are you doing? Number...
泣くわけないでしょ泣くはず